If you're like me and you love Porsches and Legos, but can't really afford a GT3 RS, check this one out. I built this yesterday. It was super fun. It's 348 pieces, and so it's not that involved of a Lego. This is the Lego Speed Champions. This is 77239. My 7-year-old son helped me build it, so it's fun for the whole family. I get a little Porsche, and it all moves. It's pretty cool. You can see, and I really love like these came. These aren't stickers. They came like pre-installed. Porsche crest came installed. See a little driver in there. Got the big wing back here. You got the diffusers, the exhaust. Pretty detailed for one of their more inexpensive models. Some of these are much more expensive than the Speed of Champions series, and a lot more pieces. Didn't take more than like an hour. It came with 2 different sets of wheels. I put these on. You could easily swap them out. They're just like hubcaps on them. A couple areas were a little tricky, but look at that front air dam. It's pretty cool. It has like a full belly pan. How cool is that? Looks like a race car. It has the rockers right there. Everything. Really fun build. Drivers in there. You can easily take this off. Just play around. Little driver. And check this out. How cool is that? It says Porsche Track Experience. So maybe can get one of those. I'll get as a gift sometime. So you can easily put the windshield on and off. And he came with hair as well, but I don't really care about that. Actually rolls pretty good. Looks fun. Displayed in my office. Can't wait to build the next one. And if you're a Porsche fan or just a Lego fan, I highly recommend this kit. Can't wait to get some of their more expensive ones. A couple stickers in there. Looks like, yeah, almost lined those up right. Not as good on that side, but it's all fun. Even this, like, it just says Porsche right there on just a Lego piece. I thought was super cool. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.